Hi, it's Sue here, and I just wanted to show you what's in the Skylark workshop kit. That you've got heaps of stuff here. So first of all, I will start with the paper pack with the stickers. So this is the paper pack. So you get two of the Skylark patterns, and on the other side is the Limeade diamonds and a great zip strip as well. So that's two. The next one is a toffee grid, and you've got the birds up the top here. And then on the other side is a pattern, a nice pattern with a great zip strip, and then you've got these little tags down the bottom. So that's four. And then you've got the lagoon stripes. And on the other side is a lagoon pattern with some great zip strips. So that's six. So that's it. And this is, oh, the sticker sheet, of course. Okay, so you've got some great titles here, as well as some bird stickers, a bird cage, some flowers, some great borders here, and some great titles. So these are the stickers as well. And I just wanted to show you what the old one was, because this is a bring back my pack. So they've modified the colours to suit what the palette is at the moment. So this is the old one, and then this is the new one. And I'm not too sure if you can see exactly on here, but it's more a yellowy tone on the old one. The brown is a little bit different. Still got the lagoon. So the pattern is exactly the same, but just the colours have been modified. So the new one is more a pale green colour, whereas this has got the yellow. And when we turn it over, you can definitely see. So this is the new one with the green, which is more the Limeade, and this is a yellowy colour, which is more like Sundance. So they've modified the colours in the zip strip as well. So the yellow has been replaced by the Limeade, the light green. So just to show you, this is how they've modified it for the Bring Back My Pack, but still the great design on there with the birds and the tags and everything like that. So that's the paper, and then you've got the coordinating cardstock. So a full pack of that, and with it you have two sheets of Limeade. Oh, sorry, 3 sheets of Limeade, and that's the original colour, and then that's the more subdued, the light side of the cardstock. And then this is shortbread, and there's 3 sheets of shortbread. That's the original colour, and then the paler one on the other side. And then you have 3 sheets of toffee, the original colour, and then the pale one on the other side, and then 3 sheets of lagoon. And don't we love lagoon? So that's the original colour, and then the pale one on the other side. So with that as well, you get some white daisy in this pack. So there's just 1 sheet of white daisy as well in the workshop kit. Sorry, got this all mixed up. So 4 sheets of white daisy in the workshop kit. And then there's also these new stickers, these title stickers, and you get 2 sheets of this. So I'll just show you how that works, so that rather than cutting up small strips of white paper then trying to stick it down, you can write on these stickers and cut them to whatever size you want to. So they're already got adhesive on the back, and you've got 2 sheets of that. So they are 12 inches long. Okay, and then that's the packets. Then you get the stencil sheet as well. So you might not be able to see this exactly. I'll get out this stencil, but it's a 12 by 12 stencil, which is just fantastic. Makes it very versatile. And I'll just get one of these darker sheets. You might be able to see sort of in the glare, you can sort of see that this is a full 12 by 12 with leaves and flowers on that. There, you can sort of see that. So that's the stencil sheet, and really looking forward to using that with the layouts. You also get 4 6x4 flip flaps. So that means that you can put heaps more photos on the page. We get the wood grain die cuts. So these die cuts shapes come in lots of different colors, but this is the wood grain for this one. You can get black, and then you can get it in lots of different colors. This is the stamp set, and we've chosen the English version, which spells favourite correctly. So this is exactly the same as the original one, but the original one actually didn't have the English spelling, it only had the American spelling. So really happy that we can use the proper spelling. And then you also get some teal dots. Yeah, teal. So there's 3 different colors. That could be periwinkle, lagoon, and yeah, I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, great, these dots, because they're nice and flat as well, and they come in lots of different shapes. You've got the dots, the hearts, and the stars in the 3 different colors, and they will match perfectly with that. And then in the workshop kit as well, you get the photo mats. So there's 3x3, 3x4, a 4x4, 6x4, and a 5x7. So that matches all the photos that you will be putting together with the workshop. Of course, you can add more or swap and change them around, but they come with the pack. And then we're doing 4 cards. So we've got the 2 smaller ones, the 5.5 by 4.25 with envelopes, and then we have the slimline ones as well. So really good value with this pack. Very excited to have it, and can't wait to do the workshop with you next Saturday, so Saturday week. Anyway, thanks very much. I'll talk to you later. And it's still available. This pack is available until the 31st of January. So you're more than welcome to go onto my website and order it. It's very good value, only $108, and you get all of this. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks.